Hey, what's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. I'm home from the party. Yep. I had so much fun over there, you know. It was so much fun, you know. I had to come home early. Worker just left and stuff like that, you know. So as soon as I got home, so she could leave. Her time is almost up anyway, you know. So I'm home, relaxed, and everything. Okay? Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I had so much fun at the party and stuff like that. I mean, my best friend is outside on the balcony out there by herself, but she have her children inside and stuff like that, you know. But I wonder if she gonna watch this video one day. Maybe she will, you know. Okay. And I know my family gonna watch this, you know. Okay. My Auntie Stacy had a nice time, you know. I had a nice time with the family. I love my family, you know. Okay. And I know my mom is watching this show from heaven. Okay. Yep. So my mama told me to go to the party. That's why I went, you know. If it weren't for Sandra and my mama, I wouldn't have went at all, you know. So I was aware of it. So I said I'll catch the bus over there, and I did. Okay. Yep, I did. Okay, like I told y'all on YouTube. Okay, I love video sharing websites, especially Daily Motion too. You know, I tried Vimeo, but Vimeo, oh my God, you gotta pay to extend things and all that. Oh my God, you know. I mean, I love Vimeo, but it's a video sharing website. I wish they could fix it so we could continue on vlogging. You know, YouTube is more popular than Daily Motion and Vimeo, but I like them all at once. Honestly, you know, I don't mind being on my computer watching videos, random videos and stuff. You know, yep, that's how it is though. You know, I'm at home chilling, relaxing, and stuff like that. Yes, indeed, Jesus, God is good all the time. Pray for my pastor, you know, Reverend Kenneth G. Thibodeau. He's doing fine, I was told, you know. But I sure would like to talk to him, you know. Make sure he's all right, you know. All right. So make sure y'all pray for my pastor too, you know. Okay. All right. So thank y'all for watching this video. I'm home after the party. Yep. From the party, I should say. Just got home from the party. All right. Thank y'all for watching this video. The other part is going the video. I mean the videos of the party will be uploaded soon on YouTube. Okay, but if you're watching this Facebook Live on YouTube right now, it's gonna be uploaded soon. Okay, soon as I can. All right, I'm about to go do my gameplays and everything. Gameplay watch. Will it be Mario Baseball or Mario Soccer? Or something else. Who knows? Maybe Diddy Kong Racing. All right. Thank y'all for watching. All right. Bye-bye.